categorize the animal. It's a snake. It's a frog. It's donkey. It's a kangaroo. Now let's categorize mammal. Is it the snake? You're wrong. Or is it the frog? No. Is it the donkey? No. Or is it the kangaroo? Yes, you are right. It is the kangaroo. Let's categorize the animal. It's a bear. It's a fox. It's a rabbit. It's a snake. Now let's categorize reptile. Is it the bear? No. Or is it the fox? No. Is it the rabbit? No. Or is it the snake? Yes, you are right. It is the snake. Categorize the animal. It's a lion. It's an elephant. It's the gorilla. It's the octopus. Let's categorize aquatic. Is it the lion? No. Is it the elephant? No. Is it the gorilla? No. Is it the octopus? Yes, you are right. It is the octopus.